attention on episode 115 of College and Career Clarity. We were talking about making that final college decision, and the expert I had with me, Marnie Levine, an IEC, said, you want to pay special attention to how many students graduate with a particular college major in the colleges that you're considering and you're making a final decision on. So I thought, you know what? I need to teach people step by step how to find this information. So we have a quick little tutorial for you. Let me screen share. Okay, so here's our Flourish Coaching website. Let's hop over to, I know this looks complicated, just go ahead and type in collegenavigator.gov. It'll get you to this site. It is the Department of Education's search engine about colleges. Over here under school name of school, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use University of Dayton here in Ohio. I actually have my master's degree from there into our search. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is click here. It's going to give you lots of information about the school. We're just going to focus in on how many students are graduating with a particular degree. So what we're going to do next is go down to programs and majors, and you want to open this section. Okay, before we start looking at all the different majors that they offer and how many students graduate, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this data set to get the total number of students. So for a bachelor's degree, they conferred in this particular year about 2,000 students earned a degree from there. Now, let's go back up to the top of this data set. You need that 2,000 to have context. 3 of the 2,000 earned a degree in women's studies, okay? But 80 students earned a degree in biology. Let's look at business. This shows you that they have a lot of different business majors, and they've got a lot of kids in the business school. So about 500 of the 2,000, so about 25% of the students who attend the University of Dayton and graduate with a degree are earning a degree in business. So now what does that tell you? It tells you that the college is going to invest a lot in hiring great professors, getting recruiters to come on campus, building relationships, building into these programs. When you see something like, we're only looking at bachelor's, which is the second, when we see something like, okay, being a foreign language teacher, only 3 students. Okay, now 150 students out of 2,000 earning an education degree is a good number. However, you want to look at the nuances here. A lot of kids earning the early childhood education and teaching, a general education degree, we'd have to dig into what that other is. A lot earning the degree to teach at the high school level, okay? Only 3 music teachers are graduating. Let's keep going. Oh, okay, again, just shy of 25% of the graduating class is the engineering school. Very robust. Decent number here for the engineering technologies. Let's keep going. 1 person in medicinal and pharmaceutical chemistry, not a lot, okay? They're not going to invest in that major. They don't really have a robust RN program. There we have 6 students, 9 history students, 4 liberal arts general studies, 1 person in exercise science and kinesiology. It's a common major for those pursuing physical therapy or occupational therapy, athletic trainer, things like that. Geology, 1. Physical sciences, 1. Oh, but look at this, 94 in psychology. They're going to invest in that program. And it's going to be easier to recruit really great professors. So you can go through and do the math on what the percentages are. I just gave you a handful of them there. It's a super easy tool to use. Every single university and college will be in this data set because it's run by the Department of Labor. If they are receiving any kind of federal funding, if they are using the student aid, you're going to find it here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Whether you're just starting out, mid spot on the college bound journey, and you're building that list and deciding where to visit, or you're making that final decision on where to enroll, this is an important metric that will help you in making that best decision.